Hey guys, we're gonna start our video. And hi. Okay, we're gonna do a house tour. This is the pantry. This is the dining table. Kitchen. Backyard. We're gonna go to the elevator. Let's go. We're upstairs. Okay. This is the bathroom. This is the washing room. This is the living room. This is my friend's room. She's right there. Okay, we're going up to the top floor. We're going up to the third floor. Let's wait. Let's get our character. Let's get me. This is me and my friend's room. And we are going to the water park. Let's go. We're gonna leave now. Should I make a part 2? Bye.